How to become an excellent student. Beyond just receiving exceptional grades, being a stellar student has additional advantages. You'll become a more competitive college applicant in the near future, and you might even be eligible for some sizable scholarships. Long-term, the abilities you acquire in school will be with you the rest of your life, enabling you to deal with any issue that arises. 1. To study quietly and without interruptions, pick a peaceful area. You will learn more and get better scores the more you put into your studies. To create a quiet, focused environment, however, take out all distractions, cell phones, television, loud, fast-paced music, and chatty friends, family members. The quality of your study time must also be efficient. 2. Remain optimistic and avoid procrastination. Even if it's tempting to put something off until later, this rarely happens. Make it a point to study as soon as you get home or the last class ends. Study that subject first if you're having problems with it, and try to stay upbeat. 3. Take brief breaks from your study time. Consider taking a 10-minute break after every hour because your brain needs time to unwind and process information. Take a brief break if you find yourself stuck on a certain subject so you can return more energized. To prevent a quick 10-minute break from morphing into a 30-minute period of procrastination, set a timer on your phone or another device. 4. Prepare questions for each lesson by reading ahead. Before coming to class, find out which chapter your teacher will be teaching tomorrow. By doing so, you can become more familiar with the subject and ask questions to get clarification on anything you don't understand. 5. Do extra work to deepen your comprehension of a subject. Do extra tasks or readings if your teacher says you can get extra credit for them. You can raise your grade and gain a deeper understanding of the subject matter even if your class grade is 98%. 6. Prepare early for quizzes and tests. Start your preparation for a significant test a few days to a week beforehand, or even when the test is announced. Establish a study regimen, segmenting your time, and follow it religiously. Don't wait until the last minute since cramming prevents your brain from having enough time to fully assimilate knowledge. 7. Create mini tests and quizzes just for you. Spend some time outlining some issues, or have someone else do it for you. Just keep in mind that information is more likely to stick in your memory if you encounter and think about it frequently. Have lots of fun. Good luck, mate. Please like and subscribe to our channel for life-changing content and hit the like button. Thank you for watching. Have a wonderful day.